Hey guys, it's that season. You know what season it is. It's grad season. Shout out to class of 2019. Whether you're graduating from high school or college, if you're looking for a customized grad cap with affordable prices and unique designs, check out Glamzdesignzbycoco. All of her information will be in the description box below. Thank you guys, and I know what you guys came here for, so we're just going to go ahead and hop into the video. Oh, hold on guys. I have to give a shout out to our very first giveaway winner, Psycho Spams. Thank you so much for the love and support. We appreciate it. And yeah, guys, make sure you look out for our next giveaway when we reach 50 subscribers. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey guys. Welcome back to our channel.
Oh, I'm Day.
I'm Leah.
And today we are doing our first mukbang.
So we have two different things because we had two different like taste buds today. So yeah.
I got some in the Chick-fil-A. She wouldn't let me open the bag.
No, because y'all know how in mukbangs, like when you order something, you gotta open it with the people. You can't be opening it off camera and stuff.
I'm a bong by myself somehow.
I am the people. Okay, so I got me a spicy chicken sandwich. Dun, 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 dun. I don't really like a lot of stuff, so it's plain, no pickles. I just want.
Can I have your show?
And then I also got me like 6 nuggets on the side because I'm a fat ass. And I also got this milkshake, but it's pretty much almost gone. So.
My milkshake brings on. I didn't.
What did you have?
Okay, so I made some tacos because I like homemade tacos like better than like Taco Bell because they like Taco Bell is not it. So I made.
Although I will say they little Captain Crunch fries. I mean, I don't think that's what they call, but that's what I call them.
They're fire.
That about it.
And they're Baja Blast.
Those are pretty good too.
But I made some tacos. So yeah, I have some homemade tacos. So, a thumbnail. Okay, y'all. But I have some queso on the side. I had to heat up my queso because I don't like when it's like straight off the like I like when it's like hot.
With the cheese, that's that queso.
And I have some salsa. And so yeah, so we're gonna be talking about like first we're talking about the BBMAs, but first we're gonna talk about Endgame. Okay, so if you haven't seen Endgame yet, first
spoiler
of all,
spoiler alert.
Yeah, spoiler alert, and also
what are you doing? Go see Endgame. Go see Endgame.
Oh my god!
But Loki, it don't. I'm gonna show it.
Oh, okay. So
Not all that way. They'll tell us something. Oh.
Okay, so speaking of Endgame, so if you went to the movies like the first couple of days when it first came out, you get a poster and
head asses.
Yeah, so off this poster I was coming up with different theories about what I thought was gonna happen in Endgame. So yeah, I came up with like different theories. Like me and my mom, we were in the movie theater, we were like, see, based on this, I think this person, that person's gonna be dead, or this person, that person's gonna be important to this movie. People that were on the poster, so based upon that, like me and my mom were coming up with like different theories about like why is it them. Remember you said the man got beat up?
So I read a little article thing, and it was like a man got jumped outside the theater because he was shouting Endgame spoilers. Like, so,
bruh, because that's wild. Like, I don't even feel bad for him because imagine him like,
you took the time out.
Iron Man's gonna die, guys.
Guess who's gonna die? Iron Man. Like, I just feel like he had a jerk. Like, I don't know, because it was a jerk move. I feel like he said it like such a jerk.
Yeah.
Guess who's gonna die? Iron Man. Guess who's fat?
Overall, from rating the movie on a
Not
like,
even great. That's like not even a 10. Like,
It's an A plus.
plus the pros. Okay.
it gives you all type of feels. You gonna be crying. You gonna be happy.
Yo, some dude was behind me crying. His friend tried to cut him up. I was like, y'all ain't right.
That boy's cry. Let him cry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's actually really cute when guys cry. Like, it makes me feel like
God, your heart. You have one. Beating.
You have
it's
one.
real. This supposed to be Gatorade Zero, like with zero sugar in it. And honestly, it tastes just like the original one.
The original one don't even taste like got sugar in it. Yeah, I can say like I loved Endgame. Like low key, it got me back on my movie stuff because I'm not gonna lie, I used to love movies. Like, I love movies, but I kind of fell off a little bit. And it'd be like, you know, I'll watch it later, or like I want to watch it, but I just want to be in the mood to watch it. But like after I saw Endgame, like I was like, I really got back on my movie stuff. Like, I don't know, like my TV and stuff. Like that plus Game of Thrones, like them both got me back.
Don't watch Endgame if you haven't seen, like, if you don't remember or you haven't seen a lot, like a chunk of like the movies, and don't go. It's like it's gonna have to be a waste of the whole time. You're gonna be like,
So who
I
is?
know it was cool, like when they had to go and get the Infinity Stones, they kind of
went
in
back
third person and was seeing like in a lot of the different movies. So I know they went like for Thor, for example, like him and Rocket, they had to they went back to the second Thor movie, and they had to go and get the
one of the stones. I'm not even gonna act
James.
like
I don't remember what the one it was.
And then like I know they went to like, what was the first Avengers movie?
Yes. Oh my god, my man low key dipped out.
He got that. He was like,
he dipped. So not only, okay, so a lot of people were questioning like, so like, because they reversed it, does that mean that like Loki and Gamora are going to come back? And no, like everybody that died before the snap isn't going to come back to life. So no, Loki is dead, like the newer Loki. But now it's a older Loki that's running around the world now. So like Loki from 2012 is now running around in the world, which is
Tesseract.
This.
But I did hear there's supposed to be like a bunch of the characters are supposed to have like spin-off series on like the new Disney app coming up.
Mm-hmm.
So I know Loki's supposed to be in his little spin-off series.
Mm-hmm.
Some other people too. I know Scarlet Witch, can't remember what. Well, like separate shows.
Okay.
They're going to be obviously their characters.
Because
Disney's making money, so
they are like, let me get a contract.
I just need one.
This thing was gonna last you about 10 years, so I'm good. Let me get a contract. But one of my favorite scenes from the movie, which me and Deshaun already knew that like he could do this, but bro,
Well, I tell you, I got hype.
Bro, go ahead, explain it, bro.
Alright, so pretty much it was the little scene where pretty much, you know, it's the OGs, Thor, Iron Man, and Cap, like, you know, they're going over there. They want to try to fight Thanos, but like they try to push him back a little bit, give them some time
to figure out what's going on. Because before
like,
that, a big explosion happened in the headquarters. So imagine you chilling.
Y'all
like,
think y'all got it, like y'all got all the stones now. Y'all about to snap, crackle, pop, and then you just hit this big old come crashing on you. You was like, the what?
I thought okay.
Wait, what's really good? So, you know, they out there. Iron Man, he get a little bruised up. Thor, he had his licks in, but, you know, he got a little pushback. And then, out of the cuttery, here come Cap with the Bajorna. Like,
I'm like, so... Like, but it was crazy because when this happened, because me and Dave, we didn't go see it together, but, like, I was thinking about her, like, when this happened, because we always said, like, Cap can lift that hammer. He could do it, but he just wanted to keep Thor's ego, because if you guys don't remember... in Age of Ultron, when they were all like drinking and having fun, They were like testing,
They were
like
all trying to see if they can pick
yeah,
it
like
up.
who can lift it up. And so I'll never forget Iron Man put on all his strength.
He did.
He got in the whole suit. He got in the whole suit.
Nada.
Couldn't do it, but.
And then the whole time Thor just like, it's alright, old
Yeah.
chap, old buddy.
And if you guys don't know, you know Thor was like out of shape the entire movie. Like my man had a stomach with a six-pack.
So like
on top
for
of
some
it.
reason I magically thought like, you know, at some point in the movie like he was gonna slim out. No, my man was chunky the whole film. Like I was like, alright.
And didn't care either.
He did.
He wasn't insecure about it or nothing like the whole time. Like
He was just trying to find him another drink. Like
he was like, so it's gonna be beer on the ship.
Mhm.
Like, we good. My second favorite scene was when everybody came back.
Son, like the little porters. Every time the little porters came
Every
out,
time every portal opened.
like when I tell you, I don't know how many applauses was in the theater that I was in. Like I can imagine on you there, but I don't know how many applauses. But like I had both people on both my sides, and I had like my little tray, so like I couldn't really do much. So I was just like, "Ayy, ayy."
The first portal that opened, if I'm not mistaken, it was Black Panther,
Yeah.
and it was his little
Like
sister.
Falcon was like on your right or on your left.
Yeah, he was like cop on your left. It was great. My other favorite part was I really liked the ending. The only thing I was a little bit upset about was, if you didn't know, Black Widow sacrificed herself for the Soul Stone, so she's dead. But I was upset because they didn't really have like they didn't have no funeral for her or anything. Like they were just like, sis died, and it was like everybody were sad for like a good 7 minutes of the movie, and then after that they were just like, well, next up. Like they didn't have like no Natasha thing. But side note, Bruce Banner can get it. Okay, side note.
Mark Ruffalo,
he looked
You guys specify because there's been like 3 Bruce Banners.
Yeah,
so.
let me clear it up. Mark Ruffalo. Yeah, he, you know, like he one of those like the little nerdy guys that like he him and Chris Evans, like they already know how to. She already know how to about Chris Evans. Like Chris Evans, honey.
I'm in love with you since Not Another Teen movie. Like, what you want to do?
WWBG.
I really want a shirt like that. Like
I told her to make it for you.
God, she will make me a shirt. What you say gonna say again?
WWBG. Unless you're Chris Evans.
Because Chris Evans is just.
She knows what it means.
Yeah. We don't want to tell anybody, but it's gonna be like our little insider. But Chris Evans, he one of those that like he know he's not. He don't even gotta be all like out there. Like he just give you that look. Like he don't gotta do too much. He just sit there and he just.
I'm Captain America. Period.
Nothing else to say, like, period.
Eludes fineness, like
He is Captain America.
period.
That is America's ass.
It's how they ended him off. Like he retired. He finally married Peggy. Finally got his look.
He finally got that little crusty 2-step in. This man been obsessed for how long? Like, suck.
That's real love. Like,
y'all didn't even get no kisses, no nothing.
Yeah.
Like, y'all didn't do nothing yet. Like,
he never kissed her.
Kissed her. Y'all ain't never. Did they ever hug?
No, not really. Like, it was always like, hi. And it was one of those that he was like mad because like he never like really openly shot his shot. So it was like, it was kind of last minute.
Bro, you held that basket.
I would have gave a look. I ain't gonna never age, okay? You know, she already.
I watched you die.
Yeah.
I visited you in the hospital, whatever. Watched you die. Like,
I tried to date your niece at one point because she
Sure
reminded
did.
me of you, but it just didn't
sure
work.
did.
So I was just like, finally that y'all gave this man what he wanted. But if I was Bucky, I would have been in my feelings. Because I was like, you leave me here with all these little niggas.
I did all of this, and you leave me here.
I would have been in my feelings. Let that y'all do something like that to me, bro. Bro, I'm going off.
I'm not gonna be there for you to walk to, so.
I'm going off. Like, Bucky was just like this when Kat was talking. I was like, so you need to tell me. Like, I would have took it in, but I would have been like, so you need to tell me. You ain't, think to ask me. you know, you could have gave me a heads up. We could have lied and said we were going back to help. I was going to help you put the stones back. But you didn't say nothing. You just dipped out and came back old as hell and left me. Like, nah.
My dumb ass gonna be faking a heart attack after this. Like, yeah, I'm gonna be,
Favorite scene was when all the girls came together
that
to help
lit.
Spider-Man.
That was lit. I was like, save the baby. Save the
Save
baby.
the baby. Sorry,
They maternal instincts was kicking in like, not today.
bro, and the fact that Pepper Potts
She finally put on that suit. She finally put on that suit.
Finally. Do you not know how long it took her to put on that? Tony been trying to get her in a suit for years. And she finally gets in a
She been too busy reading her daggone cookbooks and healthy, like all they got is Gwyneth Paltrow playing Gwyneth Paltrow.
Yeah,
like,
basically.
She was like,
Hey Tony, I found this new organic food dispenser. I'm like, okay.
He's like, that's cool. Yeah. He's like, good job, babe.
Dad, I want. He's like, okay.
Like, so next we're gonna talk about the freaking BBMAs. Okay.
Here we go.
Look, we're not gonna. Hey guys, if you haven't already, check out our BBMAs hit or miss where we rate the celebrities' outfits. It will be in the description box below and somewhere up top on the screen, so don't forget to check it out. Thanks, guys. Look, we're gonna address the elephant that was after in the room.
So first of all, I want to do a disclaimer. I didn't watch the billboards like as it was on TV. Like I seen like clips on Twitter and like the videos, and I was getting like updates in time. But I was like, I'm not sitting through this. Because real, the only ones I wanted to see was BTS and Halsey and the Jonas Brothers, and I knew BTS was probably gonna be near the end, if not the end.
Brother, what?
Exactly. And Jonas Brothers, they was thrown in it. And like I would see their voice, like.
Yeah, I watched it again on their YouTube channel this morning. I didn't get to see the whole thing, but I'm gonna talk about this because this was really pissing me off. Like when I was watching it, like I felt like a little bit annoyed because I'm tired of people biting off of like us. Like, look, Taylor Swift,
Kanye said it best. That's all I'm gonna say. He's starting right now.
Like, we should listen to Kanye years ago because he wasn't even being a jerk. He was trying to save us. He was trying to put it out there.
That's
like,
the only thing I give Kanye right now. Like, the only thing. The other stuff, like, I'm not with you. But it's like, don't get us wrong, because we was talking about this already. Like, we know, like, the whole marching band thing has been, like, a thing. But let's be honest, what's popping right now?
Beyonce.
What's relevant right now in terms of like having the marching band, like
Beyonce, girl. Beyonce.
Beychella, freaking Homecoming. Like, what performance just came out yesterday?
Beyonce.
Because it had to be last minute, because the song just came out.
Yeah.
So the performance you put together had to be last minute. And like, because I already seen some people like, oh, Taylor Swift has already been doing this band thing since, like,
we gonna keep this in stock right now. She copied. That's all it was. You know, we just gonna show y'all for yourself so y'all can see the band and everything like that.
A little Pepto-Bismol.
We're gonna insert a clip right now and we're gonna let y'all see it.
Right. Like what?
What the hell? I mean, this is Beyonce Homecoming, basically. Like, period. Like what? And then watch how this woman walks out. What?
I'm like, dude.
And pose. What? And pose. What?
Well, just as I thought. Trash.
Flick.
Oh, fuck!
No.
Right.
Jesus Christ.
Like what?
We're gonna let y'all judge for yourselves, but I personally, like, this ain't the first time. and watch she gonna use this. Like, she just wants something to cry about so she can write a new album. That's all it is. She wants y'all to attack her. So she's like,
they're being so mean to me.
No, and the crazy part is, Deshaun, no. I used to be a die-hard Taylor
bro,
Swift.
she used to try to attack me.
I did. Because
like,
Taylor
right.
Swift used to, oh my God, I used to love her music.
Like, that's one thing I can't say about Taylor. I like her videos.
I mean, the song that is getting all the hype right now, her new song, is some trash. I don't know why it's getting overhyped.
Taylor Swift.
It's like, ew. Like, and the only reason why her performance was even okay was because it was like the aesthetics and the stuff that she had like coming, like she had like people on umbrellas coming from the ceiling with like sprinkles and stuff. But the song was trash. The performance felt like it was very mediocre. Drake beating Taylor Swift record of having the artist that received
I love it. Like, only because he deserves all of them awards. Like, some of them awards, like, Taylor Swift was getting, like, first of all, a lot of times she didn't even have no competition, to be honest.
She didn't.
Let's be honest here.
Hey, let's talk about BTS performance with Halsey, because that's what I know that's what y'all came here for anyway. Like,
that's what I came here for. That's what I'm here for. That's what I came here for.
Their performance was spectacular. First, let's talk about the boys' win, okay? Because one thing I love, every time they win something, their speech.
They're so humble, like.
So humble. Like, it's crazy. Like,
and they never forget, like, I know, you know, ARMY don't have the best reputation, but they're okay.
Okay.
Like, we already knew it was gonna be bomb.
Yeah.
And it was.
They were. I like how they use, like, a prompt from their music video and they put, like, on stage for them to week.
I like they did both of them. Like, they did, like, 2 different scenes from it. Mm-hmm. And, like, you know, like, I definitely can say, out of all their little, like, US award things, this is probably the best as far as, like, setup. Only because they used to do them dirty. Like, y'all just used them for clout. Like, we already knew. That's why y'all still put them at the end.
When they started performing, because I watched it with my mom or whatever, and when Jimmy came on, my mom was like, "Oh my God, that's Dave's man! Look at Dave's man!" I was like, "It sure is,
sure is."
But
baby girl.
And I'm so excited because I saw this day before, but I love when RM, like when he changed to like dark hair. Like I just it makes this little cut that he got going on, like it just does something to my soul. You know, it does something
to my skin, to my soul.
Yeah, I start glowing instantly when I see him with the dark hair.
He starts glowing, I start glowing.
Yeah, like.
Something's in the air.
And also V, look, I told Dave, like V.
I already told her, don't feel bad. I feel like V wrecks everybody.
Look.
Like, it don't matter who your bias is. V be creeping up there.
I'm sure a video, we already have a video out of the hit or miss for basically we're going to
the red carpet for the BBMAs
and a thumbs up. Also, we are on the road to 50 subscribers. Every subscriber that we get to, every 25 subscribers, we do a giveaway. So we're on the road to 50. So please, if you're watching this, please subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Go check out the rest of our content.
The more subscriptions, the more giveaways we got. We got you.
We got y'all.
Tell a friend, tell your mama, tell your puppy, tell somebody, hit that subscribe button, and you might get something. Until then, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you next video.
Bye, guys.
Yeah. I need a girl.